Yeah. Just hit video. It's alive.
Able to load it up on that car stack. Turning it back around here now as he eases train back off there. Train wreck coming back at it again on the first one. Here we go. Almost cleared the whole car stack on that one. He used the fresh corner of this car stack to be able to get that extra lift, got that extra hit on it. Now, I would normally have said the track officials might want to disqualify him because he took 2 hits on the cars. And I saw that crew indicate to him to come back and hit that thing the other way. Pop and drop is what's that called. And he pop it up here and then drop it down on the back cars. That also helps him manage these cars from the racing perspective. Racing a little different kind of trajectory. You want to go straight ahead and not straight up. We're going to see if we can bring Loud and Dirty here to the track and we can get Fire Hazard off here. We'll just be driving along. Looks like they're stopping with the remote ignition interrupter. That's what Ralph is doing now too. Clock will stop. He hits an off for 40. So watch for that. Kicking up the dust here. Because of its sheer attention. It goes downward facing Zooey. Cat backing it up, he wants to take a run at it. hazard for those who fell on the 11th. And indeed, the 01 on that fire helmet signifies the original truck that was. The clock had run out on Andro. But I want you to know something for sure. She risked a disqualification for you. She wanted to turn that donut for you. So let me hear some noise here for Andro. Right there, now. He cranks it around here, rushing those rear steers. Tearing the front of her right off of it here, the clip busting in. Stand up tall, really. Pop on 12 o'clock.
You can see the dog hands.
Can't another when he tips it down to that bicycle. Clock has run out. Clock has run out. Still 80. In second place was this man, Perry Como, and Loud and Dirty. Will he be able to restrain himself enough to not destroy the truck? Como right away, biggest error of the day. Truck down on the wheel. Tweaking the sway bar, maybe suspension. He's been shut down. Ladies and gentlemen, he had broken it right there. Perry Como. And loud and dirty and without question, Perry Como with the biggest air of the day. Loud and dirty. Get over here, my friend. It's time for you to get to work. Ladies and gentlemen, the man they call Captain Chaos just showed you why. Could he make it all the way through the clock without breaking the track?
Man.
Of course not. Ladies and gentlemen, your freestyle winner, Mr. Perry Como. I know you've been keeping an eye on a fan. I know he's been thinking about it.
Hey,
We got him headed up there right now, looking for his fan favorite. And they will receive a one-of-a-kind, loud and dirty collector edition flag. Como walking to the track right now as they set things up for Demolition Derby. Because he's said so many times he has picked up that win as being a fan favorite. So he picked a favorite fan. Perry Como, your monster truck freestyle champion, but hold on tight. You can see what they're working on here on this track.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Those monster trucks of 2024. But now, to celebrate the monster trucks, we're going to shotgun a Twisted Tea. If you're not down with that, you could suck a bowl of balls. Suck a bowl of balls. What is that even supposed to mean? Some ravioli balls. Anyways, here's to you sucking in ravioli balls. Down the hatch. Not done yet. Now I'm done. Let the fire go. 2 Diet Coke pop cans roasting on an open fire. 2024.